This, ladies and gentlemen, strawberry shortcake shot. Who don't like strawberry shortcake, huh? Corn syrup on our rim. Graham cracker crumbs, we stick it in. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Glass, ice, baby. Dun, 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 dun. You remember that song? Okay, come behind it with some vanilla vodka. Beautiful. That is the base of our shot. Strawberry liqueur. Remember, it's a strawberry shortcake, so you must have strawberry in there somewhere. Amaretto. Okay. Then we come over the top with a little bit of cream or milk or half and half or whatever you have in your house. Almond milk, whatever you want to use. Shake, 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 shake. By the way, all you vegans out there, shout out to you. You're free to use almond milk in all these creamy drinks that you see us using, okay? Because there is almond whipped cream now. I saw it in the store, okay? You bought it, Emma? It was coconut whipped cream too, yeah. All kinds of stuff, all right?